Hello and welcome to vlog number 8, which is basically me trying to survive my first winter snowstorm here. So this window right here actually overviews or overlooks the garden, and that's where I actually put my phone so I can watch my show and have a snowy backdrop. And this is just me trying to explore the garden. I don't know, I just find this moment very magical. This is actually not the first time I've seen snow, but I know for some people this is their first time seeing snow, so there you go. So this is the garden where I'm staying at. Look at that, so precious and fine. And now we'll transition to the next day. This is me trying to dramatically open the window. So as you can see, there's more snowfall overnight. This is actually Friday, and I went out on a Friday night in my new city. And this is Pike's Place. As you can see, it's pouring really hard. Look at that. I'm trying to capture the snow falling down and these cars and the pileup afterwards. And then holy moly, this is like 2 hours afterwards. This is me heading home. I was just so amazed of it all, to be honest. Yo, it's still snowing. Look at that. This is like overnight. Okay, you know what that means. Time to make a snowman. That's all I got. And I look at the news, and actually, it's a snowstorm this weekend. Well, I saw that it was snowing, but I never thought it would be like a winter snowstorm. So yeah, this is my first winter snowstorm. Look at that fern holding all that snow. Wow. Okay. So that's basically my weekend snowed in here. But don't worry, I got food because your girl here stuck up on some stuff, so I made some pork stew like nilaga. And of course, I got my rice because I'm Asian like that, so I'm good to go. Anyways, now it's Sunday, so happy Hearts Day for those of you listening. Um, so yeah, I decided to go for a walk and actually buy some water. And this is my winter snow boots. I'm really grateful that I bought these. This is just me trying to put my stuff, tie my shoelace, and we are off. Look at that. Wow. And this is the street parking situation. And I'm actually heading to the wrong direction, but F it, I'll let you know later on. But yeah, I like the fresh snowfall. The slush and driving, not so much. I don't even know how people drive in these things. But anyways, good snowy morning here in Seattle. I'm actually I don't really plan on going out, but I thought I'll take a walk around the neighborhood. Anyways, let me show you around. I'm not really sure how good the audio is, but it's really cold. I'm not sure if you can see it. I don't think so. But people are out, so I'm just gonna walk around. Okay, so I'm actually going to the grocery store so I can buy some water. But I don't know, because right now I feel like walking. Holy moly, look at this. Dude! Some people are out walking their dog. There's a kid building a fort. It looks rough, but he's getting there. Yeah. I'm gonna answer some of your questions in regards to my disposition here. Look at that. Nice. I need to focus on the road. Okay, so a lot of people are confused about my disposition and my timeline here in Seattle. So this is what's up. So my original timeline is to
do my travel assignment here in Kirkland. So that is supposedly February 1st until the end of March, because that's like an 8 weeks assignment. But because my Washington license is still pending, I can't really work there. They can't really issue me a temporary one because of a credentialing thing. That's the one with CGFNS, the one's handling my transcript. That will be like another month or so, and then it's up to Washington if they want to accept it or not. Okay, I actually prefer walking on fresh snow just because I feel like this side people walk on it a lot, so I feel like chances of me slipping is higher. So anyways, moving on. Okay, because I'm geographically challenged, I just realized I should have climbed uphill. And I just saw a car almost stalled because this is like uphill. So I guess his car couldn't handle it. So anyways, going uphill a couple of blocks up. So we'll go from there. Hopefully. Actually, it's really hard to climb uphill. Going downhill, I could just slide down, you know. But I'm really grateful I found these snow boots. Dude, at Marshall's, it's like, original price was like $65. I got it for $21. So I take that as a win. Oh my god. This is like my workout for today. Dude, this is probably 5-10 inches of snow. I gotta go check out Google Maps and see if I'm actually in the right place. Okay, I'm actually going up at the right direction. Alright, so where are we? So, can't give me a temporary license, right? So, here I am, stuck in Seattle, so I thought I would explore some more. So, went a couple of hikes, a couple of trails, and basically just chilling, exploring the city, trying to do all the things that I need to do. Follow up with my recruiters, like what's going on and stuff like that. Hoping they could give me another assignment, which they did. So one of my recruiter found me a position at Meridian, Idaho. So that's where we're going next. That's basically almost the same spot where Boise, Idaho is. So it's the same route, but we'll see where Google Maps takes me, because there's a couple places that I can actually go check out going down. I don't really mind going back there because it's really beautiful out there. So yeah, a couple of blocks away from the store, so I can do this workout. Alright, so then you guys know I'm supposed to do that fellowship, right? But it's the same dilemma. If I don't have my license, I can't really practice here. So just waiting it all out. I am lost. So on top of the stairs I usually see when I drive. Oh my god. A long way. But hey, this is good exercise. I need to exercise. This is the view from where I came from. The roads are clear, which is good. It's just the slush. Alright, let me try to survive this walk. Okay, I survived climbing the stairs. Onwards. Okay, so yeah, didn't really exactly work out as planned here in Washington. So I'll go to Idaho, help a neighboring state out while they process my stuff. Once everything is processed though, I have to go back and forth from Washington to Idaho, trying to watch out for cars. So yeah, that's like 500 miles away. It's slush. So, yeah, 500 miles away from my apartment. Not so bad compared to North Dakota. So, that is this. Kind of like a plus, I guess. Trying to look at the bright side here. Okay. Alright. So, crossing the street. So, that's my life in the meantime. And thank you for those of you who wish me happy Valentine's. So yeah, still single as a Pringle. But anyways, having fun. Just exploring. And my downtime I kind of learned a lot from it. Just like being here. Oh look, it's kind of like a dog park. Okay, and then where am I going? Let me look for direction. Okay, I need to cross the street again, but I'll do that in a bit. So yeah, Idaho. I wonder if potatoes are much cheaper there. Nobody knows. Also, I downloaded a bunch of dating apps to get local recommendations because I don't really know a lot about this area. Got a few good ones like Stevens Pass, a couple of trails up in the mountain, so that's good to know. It's nice to see how different dating profiles is around this side of the neighborhood. Okay, kind of worried about my path, but anyways, I try to walk on the side, at least walk by, yes. So yeah, Olympic Park, wanted to go there. Ruby Beach and La Push. A lot of people, kind of like controversial, like in Twilight, like where they filmed it. A lot of people think or thought it was mostly Washington, although to be honest, it's like a mixed bag of Oregon and Washington. In the books, it's Seattle, but in the movie, it's a mix. But anyways, not really much of a twihard. So, alright, I need to turn right here. Oh shit, he almost got stuck in the snow. Alright, it's mostly not that much harder going up. Oh, do I need a shovel to take out my car? I don't have that. Oh shit. Hopefully the snow will melt soon. Alright, so for the meantime, as I wait for the snow to melt, according to my research on a Google search, really, it takes about 3 days or so for the snow to melt and around 30 degrees. probably, I'm not sure if it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. Probably Fahrenheit. Okay. Trying to focus on the road here. Okay. Probably need to cross the road again. Okay, so the only thing left for me to do is actually more modules. And then of course I need to go to an urgent care to, the usual blood works, urine samples, shots, and physical exam, like a doctor's approval that I'm actually fit to work. I like this path better. It's more clean and less treacherous, I guess. But yeah, the snow is definitely melting. What I like about Washington State, they have like a plan when it comes to COVID. They have like phase 1 and 2, how the businesses can open, cater to their customers, and most of the people here are actually pretty obedient when it comes to this mass plan and like social distancing and stuff. And they have a lot of people vaccinated already. Alright, I need to focus a little bit more. Alright, we're here at the grocery store. I need to cross the street once more. Oh, look at their snowman. Pretty creative. Okay, so originally from my Airbnb and this grocery store, it's like 0.6 miles and it's like a 13-minute walk. But since my geographically challenged ass went down instead of up, turned in the wrong direction, I took the long way coming to the grocery store. I bought some, I put it in my backpack. I bought some water to last me a couple of days until the snow melts, and some chicken could put in the fridge. Was contemplating whether or not to buy ice cream, but I'm just like, yeah, maybe next time. I'm on a budget here, and I don't really feel like eating ice cream now. So yeah, after this, I'm all set and should be good to go. So anyways, I hope like this vlog clears up, because I know a lot of you are confused, but there would come a time my fellowship and my contract overlaps. That's when, like I said, I'll be working like a dog. So that's good though. It's time to get these things started flowing, be back in the trenches, and I'll update you till then. Try to survive out here in the wild. Need to go back to my Airbnb one piece. So that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is my car now. The other night I did that TikTok hack where you put like hot water in the Ziploc bag so it kind of like defrost the thing, but I don't think it helped. Not a bit. Ugh, I don't even know. But hey, it's almost cleared up. Let's see how much snow is there. Can I even write? Hi. Hi. Okay, let's take out some of the... Can someone see my car? Hello. I actually also googled like what thing window will break with all of these snow. They said it shouldn't be unless they put it wrong, and it's a brand new car, so it should be okay. That's pretty much it. I think hopefully in a couple of days it should be okay.